welcome to 팝스인서울, offering a nice break from all the hustle and bustle, and I'm your companion, Nancy. You all know that Wednesday is called the hump day, right? It's because it's in the middle of a school or work week, and once you get over this hump or hill, it'll get easier to ride down the hill, and all the way until the weekend. Wednesday is an awesome day for a lot of people, like elementary school students in Korea, whose school hours are shorter on Wednesdays than usual, and for drama fans who get to watch their favorite Wednesday, Thursday dramas, and of course for movie lovers, since many movies are released on Wednesdays here in Korea. And I'm here to make Hump Day even more fun and exciting with another awesome edition of 팝스인서울. So are you ready? Music video, stop! Welcome back! It's now time for Pick and Talk, where our guests cross the boundary between heaven and hell through random games. There's another hilarious edition full of heated competition and very close games that's waiting for you. So get ready to check out the reality show within our show right now. Idol versus
Idol!
It's time to select the topmost idol star based on a special theme. It's time for Battle of the Stars. Please welcome our goddess-like guest, Daisy.
Hello everyone, what's up?
So how was your week?
It was fantastic.
Well, I could tell. You look especially radiant today. Well, let's get started right away by announcing the topic for today's battle, shall we?
2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16.
Daisy, what are you doing? Announce today's topic.
4 times 6 equals 24. Nancy, 8 times 8 equals?
64!
I should have nominated you for today's topic.
What was that?
This is the second part of our Sexy Idol series following the sexy cooking doll. Now there are idol stars who could have made a career in law, medicine, or research because they are just so smart. Today we'll talk about idol stars with sexy brains.
Right, our goal this week is to try to find the smartest idol star in the K-pop industry. And I'd like to nominate Park Kyung, who's a very clever problem solver with an IQ of 156.
And I like to nominate an idol star who's fluent in 3 languages. It's Rat Monster.
시리얼 같이 달콤 파티 달콤한 시간들은 자꾸 왜 금방 사라질까 우린 저승에도 아마도 승에도 영원히 함께니까
They look like such mischievous guys, to the point where they even seem very rebellious. Who would have imagined these guys would be book smart, right?
Daisy, want to solve this question? Forget about the addition rules you learned in school for a minute, okay? So, 5 plus 3 equals 28. 9 plus 1 equals 810. 8 plus 6 equals 214. And 5 plus 4 equals 19. So, according to this rule, what should 7 plus 3 come out to?
Wait, what? 5 plus 3 equals 28?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Okay, the answer is 410. It's a question from one of the tests administered by Mensa, you know, the high IQ society.
Oh, Mensa, this is what you need to solve in order to gain membership?
Yes, it's supposed to be one of the easiest questions. Park Kyung actually solved this question right away and passed all the level tests.
So is Park Kyung a member of Mensa?
That's right. It was the production staff of a quiz program that he was on who recommended that they take the test, and he was found to have an IQ of 156.
I heard that Mensa membership is granted to people with an IQ of 148 or higher, but he has an IQ of 156? That's so much higher.
Well, this achievement probably didn't come as a surprise to Park Kyung and people who knew him since his childhood. I mean, after all, he was called a science prodigy. He was given this nickname because of his elementary school graduation photo. He looks like a total science geek, doesn't he? Well, actually, he did show a gift in math too and attended an academy for students gifted in math.
Ah, well, those 2 subjects are quite related.
Right, you're talking about problematic men, right? He is the youngest guest on that show and is called Naomi for being cute and smart.
I heard that a female celebrity told him that she'll pay for his tuition if he decides to study abroad.
Well, last year, as a Valentine's Day special, the guest on Problematic Men paired up with female comedians to solve problems. Kim Seok was so impressed by his smarts that she told him that she will pay for his tuition if he ever decides to pursue higher education.
You know, I've watched that show a few times and the questions are so hard. It's incredible how Park Kyung's brain works so quick. You know, Nancy, there's something you should know.
What's that?
That was actually Rat Monster's spot. Perhaps you don't remember because it was such a long time ago, but Rat Monster was the youngest guest on that show.
Oh, really? I don't remember.
Rat Monster solved not only the questions that were given to him, but also the questions given to the other guests, and that's why he was called the Brain Monster. Unfortunately, he had to leave the show after 21 episodes because of his super busy schedule with BTS.
And Park Young took his spot on the show.
That's right. Compared to Park Young, who has shown an excellence in math and creativity, Rat Monster has shown brilliance in the language department. He explained that he just studied English in school and kept at it for years after that. But it's too early to be amazed just yet. Rat Monster can even speak Japanese. He appeared on a Japanese variety show where he had no trouble communicating with the MCs, even without an interpreter.
Wow, he must be gifted in language.
You know the English proficiency test called TOEIC, right? Rat Monster scored 850 out of 990.
Well, that doesn't sound very impressive.
That's his score from when he was in middle school. And on a nationwide English test that he took in his freshman year in high school, he scored in the top 1.3%.
Well, when he was in high school, wasn't he at a trainee at the time though?
That's right, he was a trainee at the agency he belongs to right now, but he kept up with his studies because his father told him that he must excel in school as well, just in case his dream changes later on.
Oh, what a wise father.
Both of them are probably in the top 1% when it comes to having a sexy brain.
And it's up to you to decide who's smarter and sexier, so come to our Facebook page and vote for the idol star with the sexiest brain.
And now let's wrap up today's Battle of Stars by announcing the result of our last week's poll. Here's the result. The original always trumps overall. Congratulations, Suzy, on being chosen as the most angelic idol star in Korea for your charitable activities.
Now let's wrap it up, the Battle of the Stars, with a music video from the most angelic idol stars chosen by your Pops family. Bye, Daisy.
See you next week.
Bye. Did you enjoy our Wednesday edition with Daisy as well as the hilarious Pick and Talk? I most certainly had a wonderful time with you guys. You all know that at 팝스인서울, we're always waiting for your active participation, right? So if there's a music video you want to watch, then leave us a message on our Facebook or Twitter page. If you're good at covering K-pop songs and dance routines, and don't hesitate to participate and be like a K-pop star, I'll now send you off with one last music video. It's Shinhwa's This Love, requested by Alexa Filmo Perez from Venezuela via our Facebook page. I'll be waiting for you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye!